Are you considering a career in graphic design? Before you dive in, let's take a closer look at the responsibilities of a graphic designer. Graphic designers are the creative thinkers responsible for the look and feel of every brand. They use state-of-the-art software to communicate visual ideas to inspire, inform, and captivate a brand's consumers. You will find these skilled professionals behind every website, magazine cover, billboard, or logo. Does this sound like the kind of career you'd be interested in? The New York Institute of Art and Design's online graphic design course will give you a comprehensive introduction to this exciting creative field. Hours of video instruction, including over 100 on-screen tutorials, will demonstrate every step of the design process from start to finish, just like the one you see here. If you're ready to get started or want more information on how NYIAD's course works, be sure to head to www.nyiad.edu to learn more.